In this video, we will be continuing our discussion on the boundary surface, field surface, and planar surface. For boundary surfaces, like I mentioned, it doesn't matter whichever plane we have things, right? The example that we did, it was not on the planar surface, but rather it had a curvature and different lines were on different planes. So a boundary surface was the perfect choice. A field surface is used to patch up different boundaries within a defined edges, not edges. Okay, and the curves have to be constrained. Let's say if you want to fill this region up here, we need to select the boundary point so that the edges are constrained within this limit. But if you want to select this portion, you will see we have to select this whole edge portion itself. So for this case, it might not work. For this case, boundary surface is the perfect choice. The planar surface, everything has to be on the same plane, like we had on the one of these surfaces, right? Every of the edges is in the same plane. If they are not on the same plane, this tool is not going to work. So when you're using this tools, these three tools to fill up different surfaces, keep in mind these points, that either they are on the same plane, if the edges are splitted or not, and if the boundaries are on the same plane, and how do we select it, and which region or which portion of it we want to select.